Her research advisor is Dr. Veronique Lancome, and today we'll hear her presentation is Diabetes Breaking the Heart.
Diabetes. I am sure that everyone here today know at least one person who has diabetes. In the United States, every 19 seconds, someone new is being diagnosed with diabetes. And if we let this continue, 1 out of every 3 American adults will be diabetic within the next 30 years. So, what is diabetes? You see, we need glucose in order to function. We get that glucose from the food that we eat. During diabetes, the mechanism that pulls glucose inside the cells begin to shut down, leaving a diabetic person 5 times greater risk of premature death. Diabetes is so much more complicated than a little blood sugar problem. So excess sugar in your blood can actually harm your vital organs, and most importantly, the heart. Did you know that a diabetic heart has 4 times greater chance of failing than a healthy heart? Diabetes can damage the heart in so many ways, but the condition that I am most interested in my research is called atrial fibrillation. Why? It is the most common and persistent rhythm disorder of the heart. Let me briefly explain. A healthy heart beats at a steady rhythm, kind of like a steadily beating drum. It pumps blood with great efficiency from head to toe. During atrial fibrillation, the heart has lost its rhythm and is now beating in a chaotic manner with much less efficiency. Result, blood pools inside the heart, which can eventually lead to a stroke. The biggest question that I ask in my research is that, does diabetes cause atrial fibrillation? Or simply, does it break the heart? In order to find out, I make my test subjects type 2 diabetic by feeding them a diet that contains 60% fat. The excess fat in the food not only make the animals obese and make them have high blood sugar, the excess fat actually goes and hangs around the heart and makes it an extremely easy target for atrial fibrillation. In my research, I have been able to successfully test all my diabetic animals for atrial fibrillation. Alarmingly, my results show that 100% of the diabetic animals had some form of cardiac complication, with 80% chance of atrial fibrillation. And this is in addition to all the other diabetic complications. So, is diabetes breaking the heart? The answer is yes.